Hello everyone, welcome to Noetiu. My name is Sean Kosniak. In today's topic we are going to talk about how my mind goes blank when I try to speak English. Before we start, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like the video, comment on this video, and share the video if you can. Subscribing to my YouTube channel, it will help me, it will motivate me to make more video like this one. Let's talk about how my mind goes blank when I try to speak in English. Whenever I try to think or having an idea that I can create, right? My mind cannot produce anything in English apart from thinking in my mother tongue. So I try to gather information online and also following some of the native speaker, how they start this journey. Is it something new to me or is it common to everyone? So I was told that thinking that your mind cannot produce anything, they say that this is a common thing. They say that sometimes you can feel like your mind goes blank when you're trying to speak a language that you are not fully comfortable with, like the English language that I'm trying to learn. Well, there are some tips that I was told to follow. So on these tips, I am going to share them with you. Maybe it can help you on the journey of learning any new language. Well, I was told that if I follow these tips that I'm going to share with you, they say that it will improve my English speaking and also it will help me feel more confident when I'm speaking English language. Number one tips, I was told to practice regularly. The more I practice, the more familiar the language become. I was also told to try speaking English daily, even if it is just by myself, by speaking to the mirror or using any necessary tool that can help me to improve my English speaking. This is one of the things that they told me I have to practice. Number two, I was told that I have to think in English. They told me that I have to start training my mind, my brain, to think in English. This way, it will help me reduce the time it takes to translate my thought from my native language to English. Number three, I was told to expand my vocabulary. They say that I have to learn few new words each day and practice using them in sentences. The more words I learn, the easier it will be easy for me to express myself. Number four, they say that I have to prepare phrases. I have to prepare phrases. They told me that I have to memorize common phrases or sentences. They say that I can use these sentences in any situation when I am conversing with a native speaker. This way, I won't have to think too much when I want to respond to any question in English. Number five, I was told to relax and breathe. They say that anxiety can make it harder to think clearly. They told me that I should take a deep breath and give myself the moment to gather my thoughts before speaking. Number six, I was told that I have to use simple sentences. They told me that I don't have to worry about being perfect. They told me that I have to focus on conveying my message clearly, even if it means using simple sentences. Number seven, I was told to listen and imitate. Listen to native speaker through movies, podcasts, and conversations. And also, they told me that I have to try to imitate their pronunciation and intonation. Number eight, They told me to join conversations. Engaging in conversation with others who speak English, the more I practice in real situation, they say that the more comfortable I become when I am speaking English. Number 9, I was told that I don't have to fear to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when learning a new language. They told me that this mistake, I can use them as learning opportunities. And instead of worrying about them, that they could also help me to improve my speaking in English. With time and practice, I will find that my confidence and ability to speak English improved. So there, you got it. If you come up to the end of this video, please, I would like to appreciate you and thank you for helping me. Do not forget to share it and never forget to subscribe as well. Thank you. Bye-bye.